Guys, oh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm in Sanyati where there is Ranger School and it's near the bridge, Munyati Bridge. If you cross that bridge, that's the other side is Gokwe side, but I've never been there. I've never been in Gokwe. So as I'm at my aunt's place, and you guys, I just want to show you guys to tour this garden. I mean the garden. So I just want you guys to see what she is doing at her place. She's doing some small farming there. There are some vegetables, spring onions, spinach, and there's some carrots there, and green mealies. There's green mealies there. I just want you guys to see what's in this garden, and there are some tomatoes. Again, there are some tomatoes. Yes, there are some vegetables, and these vegetables, guys, are very, very healthy. I really like that variety of cough. This variety of cough is very, very soft, and if you are good at watering the garden and feeding the garden, you know, this type of vegetable, the variety is very, very good. It can be very, very green and soft and very sweet. So let's go and let me show you the rugare murio. Let me put the stand, my camera there. So yes, let me try and cross. All right, it's okay, it's okay. Don't worry, guys. Yeah, this is rugare murio rugare, guys. It's very, very soft, very soft. As you can see, guys, the garden is very smart and the vegetables are very, very healthy. They are so green and healthy. They are getting enough water every day. So yeah, let me get my camera and I'm going to show you guys what's on the ground. There are some manure on the ground. So that's why these vegetables are so healthy. They are getting everything they need. Smart, 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 smart. Yeah. So let me show you guys. Get the camera and let's show them. This is it, guys. The vegetables are very, very healthy and green. Green. Look. As you can see on the ground, on this bed, as you can see, there is manure, and I can see it's goat manure. Or let me shout and ask, what type of manure is this? Yes, yeah. I'm correct. It's goat manure. As you can see, it's goat manure. It's goat manure, guys. Yes, goat manure. Very healthy. Very healthy. Wow, I like this. Let me show you guys the tomatoes. Yes. Wow. Yes, guys. Oh, yes. Let me move. Let me walk with you. Yes, here you can see. Yeah, moko it's kuona. It's got manure, as you can see. If it was possible, I would carry goat manure to Harare, to where I live, so I can apply goat manure on the vegetables. Hanga. Where is the hangers? Yes, the quickly, let me try and do quickly. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's move. Let me show you. Yeah, these are the tomatoes. Just 3 lines of tomatoes. As you can see, guys, there are some containers and they are pouring water. in those containers so that the containers can water the garden. This helps to reduce the labor of watering the garden every day, and I really like it. Yes. So guys, as you can see, I'm done here talking about tomatoes, and now let me show you the carrots, sweet potatoes, and there's also the lemongrasses here. Yes. Wow. Sweet potatoes. As you can see, spring onion is there, and some carrots there. Yes. Yes, those are the carrots. Ah, yes. The spinach, as you can see, they're enjoying. Ah, it's enough for two people. Yeah. And us visitors. Makadini. There's green lilies behind my back. There's a solar panel there. As you can see, it's a small one. And they are saying they are going to install the big one very soon. And they bought the big one so that they can do big projects here. And so, yeah. Yes. As you can see, guys, there's there are some lines of chibage. There are some lines of green lilies there. Yes, yes, that's it. That's it. That's it. This is it. This is it. That's green lily.